So I am about to compile a very delicious recipe. So this is a vegetarian lasagna, but I have actually used some dairy products in the cheese sauce, but you could easily switch that for non-dairy. So I've got my pasta in the base and then this lovely mix. So I blitzed loads of onions with some, and cooked them to almost a mush actually, and put them in with some gently frying onions and loads of thyme, fresh thyme leaves, all peeled off the stalks, and salt and pepper. And then I chopped up a butternut squash and an aubergine and loads of cherry tomatoes and roasted those. So and then when they were still hot, I just stirred in the spinach so that it wilted a bit. So I'm going to have a layer of that. Now into my mushrooms also, by the way, I blitzed up almost to a mush carrots, celery and pepper to add to the mushrooms, which kind of makes the mince. So that's a layer of veggies on each. Then I've got my delicious cheese sauce. As I say, I have made non-dairy versions of this before, I just didn't have the stuff today. So we get a nice layer of sauce all over that. And some people do this in a different order. It doesn't really matter, it all gets mixed together once you serve it up a little bit. Might just have a little bit of extra cheese on there as well. And then another layer of pasta. As you can see, I did my usual trick of over catering. So I have enough for 2 pastas. And I'm really a big fan of baking for the freezer. I quite often do one for today, one for tomorrow, one for the freezer. So that is that, and then we just do it all again. So remember, this is just gently fry some garlic, add some blitzed mushrooms and thyme, and then having mashed up in a blender carrot, celery and pepper. Oh, I'll tell you what else I added as well to that carrot mix, because I had some fennel. I love fennel. I didn't used to like it, but since I did a recipe for fennel soup, fennel's my new foodie friend. So there we have that, and a layer of the vegetables. Bung them all on because that's all I've got left. And all the colours in this look fabulous. Actually, I think what I'm going to do here is just swap the order a bit. So I'm going to put pasta on top of that. Must put pasta cutter on my Christmas list. And there we go. And then I'm going to finish that with cheese sauce. I will write this up properly, and it will be a recipe card in the members area of the Placebo Diet website, where you also get weekly talks from me, little 10-minute videos. They're not nutrition based. That element of the program is very mind based, so it will have a practical holistic based technique, or just something about how your brain works, how to change habits. There's always something really exciting to learn and to teach you. And I just love the element of putting the food and the mind stuff all together, because there's just no point, whether you want to lose weight or not, in separating what you eat from how you think and feel. So there, and as always, wishing I had smelly vision. They will bake in the oven and they will be absolutely delicious. So enjoy. Remember, if you want to check out the members area, you get a recipe every week. You'll get me doing a 10-minute talk, which might have a tapping technique or something really useful. You'll also get a 10-15 minute workout that you can do at home. So there literally is absolutely everything you need. Go on to theplacebodiet.co.uk or powertochange.me.uk and check out the members area, and you could get more resources than you ever thought possible just for the price of a cup of coffee a week.